Okay, we're setting it for 30 more minutes. I know it's kind of monotonous at this point, but that's the good news. This is something you're doing over and over again. It doesn't change much for a while. Now you'll notice once again, this is starting to expand more. You see there are more bubbles. They're getting just a little bit bigger. It's rising up higher. That's one of the advantages of these really nice containers like this. Not only are they round, so it's easy to get into the corners, but you can actually monitor how much it's rising. We have about another hour. It will be turning it 2 more times. At this point, we want to be careful not to knock the air out. We're still stretching it, strengthening the gluten. It'll be even more important in the next 2 turnings that we're careful not to knock out the air. But at this point, I want to start being kind of careful about that as well. Once again, we're making a total of 4 loaves. And each of the loaves will weigh about 1 kilo, close to 1 kilo. Now, this is a moister dough than you probably will have if you're just starting. So that's a little bit more extensible, but it's pretty much the same. You're going to see some differences. Now, you may have noticed I knocked a fair amount of air out of it that time, not intentionally, but it shouldn't be a problem. But notice, it's becoming a real dough at this point. It's changed quite a bit from where we first had that shaggy mess that we had earlier on. So, see you in 30 more minutes.